Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I revive my old wigs. I've actually had this particular wig for about 5 years now, and I'm here to just show you guys how I wash, take care of the wig in general so that it can always look soft, fresh and new every single time. So let's get into the video. After rinsing out the shampoo, I'll just follow up with my conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice. So I'm using this particular conditioner. It's very moisturizing. Yeah, so you can already see that the hair is looking very soft. So I'll just keep adding the conditioner until I'm satisfied. I'm very heavy with products, so you just see me keep adding the conditioner and detangling with my wide tooth comb and a detangling brush. So yeah, just keep watching. wigs. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.